channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. So I'm filming at a little bit of a different time. Usually I film after work in the afternoon, so it's during the day, but now I'm filming in the evening because I was so incredibly excited to film this video for you. So you guys might recall that on my Insta stories, and by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to do that now. I will put my Instagram handle right here. I usually check in with you guys every day and you kind of get a behind the scenes look into my life. You guys know how much I collect change, and actually some of you make fun of me for it, which I totally understand. Some of you guys were saying that I am the reason for the coin shortage, which is probably true. But what I did was I went through and I said, you know what? I'm going to empty all of the change in all of my wallets and I'm going to see how much money I have. And I actually filled up a vase and a half, believe it or not. So I took those two vases, I took it to Food Line, I went to Coinstar, and I want to say I ended up having like over $100, and then after fees, because they take like an 11% fee, I ended up with like $92. So I was so incredibly excited. So I told you guys that I was going to take that $92 and I was going to put it towards something. So I put polls on Instagram to kind of get your guys' feedback on what I should get, and I actually did end up settling on something, and I'm super excited to share it with you. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see what I picked up with my extra change, then keep watching. Like I said, it is such a good idea to save your change. I actually, on Instagram, one of you reached out to me and you said that you were able to save up enough change to buy a Chanel bag. I'm telling you, that is absolutely amazing. You never know how much money you're gonna save. So I'm gonna look at change in a whole different light now, and I'm really gonna try to be good about saving my change because you can save it for a rainy day and put it towards something very special. So I picked up something and I'm super excited to share it with you. So let's go ahead and get right into it, and then after I unbox it, I'll tell you a little more about it. Okay, so here is the box, the beautiful box that it comes in. I'm super excited about this piece, and like I said, I'm not going to be too chatty. I will tell you the story about it once I unbox it. So it comes in the beautiful Louis Vuitton packaging. You open it like this, and it comes with a little receipt, comes in the little dust bag, and to reveal the item that I picked up is it is the Monogram round coin purse in the Christmas animation. You guys, you know how much I wanted this Monogram coin purse. I talked about it in wishlist videos and I went on and on about it, probably so much so that you guys were tired of hearing about it. But the problem is this piece, as you know, in the Monogram, which looks just like this, has been since discontinued. And I have to be honest with you, I'm not sure why it was discontinued, because almost every single person I talked to wants this piece and said, oh my gosh, I missed out on this piece. I totally should have gotten a piece. I'm so sad they discontinued it. So here's what happened. I could not stop thinking about this piece, and you know, I went back and forth on what to do. I even looked on Fashionphile. Would you believe this piece went for $500 on Fashionphile? And if you wanted like the Christmas animation or one of those, it was going for like $6.95, which I think is absolutely crazy. But you guys, people will pay the price because it has been discontinued. So I really wanted the piece. I almost pulled the trigger in getting it, and then I saw that Louis Vuitton was coming out with a Christmas animation edition, and I saw the coin purse was going to be included and it was going to be $375, and I said, well, even though it's not just the plain monogram and it has a design on it, I still think it would be a great piece. So what I did was, the first day it came out, I saw that it was available online. I wasn't able to get it. I missed out. So I messaged my client advisor, James, at Louis Vuitton, and he said, well, it's supposed to come into the store on September 25th. I don't know if we're going to get it yet. So I literally stalked the website every day, and I was not able to get it. So I thought, oh my gosh, I'm not going to be able to get this piece. I should just get it on Fashionphile. So I almost pulled the trigger and got it on Fashionphile, and then my client advisor, he texted me. It was actually on the 24th, and he said, guess what? And he texted me a picture of this, and he said he was able to get it. So I was like, yay, I'm so excited. So he is absolutely amazing, and I've talked about him before. He's helped me get a lot of really hard pieces. So I think it's so important to develop a good relationship with your client advisor at Louis Vuitton, or find someone you can kind of really relate to, and they can really help you get pieces. So I just wanted to give you the backstory. So I'm super excited to have this piece. So let's go ahead and let me kind of show you some details on this. Like I stated, this is the Christmas animation. It is so incredibly cute. I love how adorable this coin purse is, and you don't have to use it for coins. You can use it for, you know, headphones or AirPods, whatever you want. But you can see it has the LV there, and they're riding in a car down here. It's very, very festive and cute. On the other side, it has just the basic monogram. You can see it's very, very thin. It has the really shiny gold hardware, and it says LV. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. And then when you unzip it, the interior is a beautiful, beautiful bright red. And this one in particular is made in France. Oh my gosh, so nice. And if you guys are looking for this right here, it is M69749 in case you guys are looking for this piece. But this is so incredibly cute. I am so excited to use this. Like I said, I really, really wanted just the plain monogram, but this is adorable, and this is going to be like a collector's piece. So I am just so over the moon. But like I said, this was $375. I had around $100 in coins, so I put that towards it. And you know that this round coin purse was on my wish list for such a long time, and I was finally able to check it off the box. So super, super excited to get this piece. It is so incredibly adorable. But you can also see that it has the beautiful like red trim, which I think is really different. So I just absolutely love this. Absolutely love it. Okay guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Like I said, make sure to save your change, because you never know what item you're going to be able to save up for. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I do a lot of outfit pics and flat lays, and like I said, I do a lot of behind the scenes, like you saw with me counting up all my change and turning it up, so you never know what you're going to see in my stories. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch, and remember what I always tell you, to always be kind. Have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna